Please be alive. Oh God, please let them be alive. Please God, let them be alive.
In today's episode, you're going to see one terrifying collision. But before that, I got for you tons of interesting situations on the road, so be sure to watch it till the end. Enjoy! Here we have a footage that comes to us from Idaho Fluke. After repeatedly watching it, I was still not sure what happened to cause this accident. Anything can cause these type of accident. As texting, watching your mobile phone, I want you to comment down below what do you think about it and what do you think what really caused this accident. Here we have one super interesting situation that was recorded with security camera. As you can see, this situation happened 1 in the morning. You will see a person calling out the vehicle to approach him. After that, the road incident started to happen. I think that's really important to say it out there, that road rage or any type of physical contact or fighting is never an answer. Violence is never an answer, and it can only result into a much of another problems, guys. And after everything, they just sit in the car all together and drove away.
Please be alive. Oh God, please let them be alive. Please God, let them be alive. Hello? Is anybody alive? Do you have a knife? Knife? Ma'am? Holy f*** everywhere. Babe, do you have a knife?
This guy that you see with a GoPro camera has just witnessed one crazy accident that happened right in front of him. And he decided to go and help in the situation because he had some medical experience with himself.
Ma'am, are you okay? Okay.
Oh, is there a cop right there, babe?
Describing of how situation happened is that white car came to the stop sign and decided just to go for it. And then the pickup truck came and just took her out.
Just happened? Oh, shit.
I'm gonna let them know really quick.
Okay.
I have some medical experience.
Hello?
Excuse me, officer. I have some medical experience if they need help.
Yeah, so there's actually police officers on scene. They just pulled up, so I hung up because we have officers. Yeah. Yep, thank you. Bye.
And I just want to say big like for Nico for trying to help and eventually solve this situation.
Is it not? Well, that'll break the window.
I think that we all can take the good point from this footage. As you can see, if something happened badly on the road, you should always try your best to help to resolve the situation.
Honey, did you check in with the guy over there? Is he okay?
You want to go ask him really quick, and if he needs medical or something like that, then come get me.
Okay. Are you okay?
Well, I'm kind of. My glasses got knocked off and I can't find them, so I can't see.
Okay.
Can I open my
Yeah,
door?
go ahead. Would you like me to help you look for him?
Yeah, if you could. That barbed wire fence.
Oh, yeah.
Are you okay, sir? Like,
I'm banged up.
I'd be
but
banged up, but okay.
My glasses got knocked off. I can't find them.
Okay. Well, we got medical coming here. I'm just gonna.
If you could, I don't know if they went down. I mean, they hit me hard on stuff from here. It's up on my back.
But just be careful. Don't be moving your neck around too much. Just peaceful.
As you will see in this footage, guys, the guy in the front with a red truck in front of the camera just had one slippery accident. As I always like to put it out there, you should always watch out for the road conditions every time when you step on the road. Drive safe and stay safe, guys.